All right, welcome to Writing Inequalities. Let's start, right here at the beginning of applying inequalities to word problems is what we're going to apply them to. Our target statement is today we'll analyze word problems so that way we can identify those key words to create an inequality. You'll know you have it when you can create, solve, and justify your answers. So we don't want to just write that inequality. We want to go ahead and justify our answers, and if at all possible, after creating the inequalities, solve for it. Okay, so one of the things that we need to know is verbal statements can be, and the word is translated, to algebraic inequalities, much like deciphering a secret message or translating from one, let's go in here, language to another. So we're going to be translating these word problems from, you can say, the English language into the algebraic language or the language of math. So that sounds exciting, doesn't it? I can hear you guys cheering now.